Welcome back to Auto Nova, the channel where we explore the latest vehicles, future models, and everything happening in the world of automobiles. If you enjoy detailed walkarounds, honest impressions, and practical information before buying your next vehicle, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Today on Auto Nova, we are taking a deep dive into one of the most reliable and long-running full-size vans in America, the 2026 Chevrolet Express. The Chevrolet Express has been a familiar name on American roads for decades, especially in commercial fleets, construction sites, shuttle services, and family transport businesses. For 2026, Chevrolet continues to offer the Express as a dependable workhorse rather than a high-tech experiment. This van is built for people who care about durability, payload, and long-term reliability, and that philosophy clearly shows in the latest model. The 2026 Chevrolet Express is available in two main body styles, the cargo van and the passenger van. The cargo van is designed for businesses that need space, strength, and flexibility, while the passenger van is aimed at moving people comfortably, whether it's for hotels, churches, tour companies, or large families. Chevrolet keeps the design familiar, which many buyers actually prefer because it means easy maintenance and proven performance. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Express sticks to its traditional boxy design. This shape is not about style trends, but about practicality. The tall roof and wide body make loading cargo easy, and the large rear swing-out doors are ideal for forklifts and heavy equipment. The front end features Chevrolet's signature grille with a bold, no-nonsense look. Halogen headlights come standard, providing solid visibility for nighttime driving, while the overall body construction is strong and purpose-built. The Express is available in different wheelbase options, including standard and extended lengths. This allows buyers to choose exactly how much cargo or passenger space they need. The extended wheelbase models are especially popular for delivery services and passenger transport because they maximize interior room without sacrificing stability on the road. Inside the 2026 Chevrolet Express cargo van, the focus is clearly on function. The interior is simple, durable, and easy to clean. Hard-wearing materials are used throughout the cabin, which is ideal for daily work use. The cargo area is spacious and configurable, with plenty of room for shelving, tool racks, and custom upfits. This is one of the biggest reasons the Express remains popular with contractors and fleet managers. The passenger van interior is more comfort-oriented but still practical. Depending on the configuration, it can seat up to 12 or 15 passengers. The seats are supportive for long drives, and rear air conditioning is available to keep everyone comfortable, even in hot weather. Large windows provide good visibility and a more open feel for passengers, which is especially important for shuttle and tour services. When it comes to power, the 2026 Chevrolet Express offers two proven gasoline engine options. The standard engine is a 4.3-liter V6, which produces around 276 horsepower and strong torque for everyday hauling and city driving. This engine is known for its reliability and relatively manageable operating costs, making it a popular choice for smaller businesses. For buyers who need more power, Chevrolet offers a 6.6-liter V8 engine. This engine delivers over 400 horsepower and massive torque, making it ideal for heavy loads, towing trailers, or operating in demanding conditions. Whether you are hauling equipment, carrying a full passenger load, or towing for long distances, the V8 provides confident performance with ease. Both engines are paired with an automatic transmission that is tuned for smooth shifts and durability. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, which is preferred in commercial applications because of its strength and better handling under load. The Express is built on a solid chassis that feels stable even when fully loaded, something that longtime owners truly appreciate. In terms of capability, the 2026 Chevrolet Express does not disappoint. Depending on the configuration, payload capacity can exceed 4,000 pounds, which is impressive in its class. Towing capacity is also strong, especially with the V8 engine, making it suitable for trailers, boats, or work equipment. This makes the Express a true multi-purpose vehicle for a wide range of industries. Safety is another area where Chevrolet has made steady improvements. While the Express does not aim to be the most high-tech van on the market, it includes essential safety features that matter in real-world driving. A rear vision camera is standard, helping drivers maneuver in tight spaces and busy work sites. Available safety options include forward collision alert, lane departure warning, blind zone alert, and rear park assist, adding an extra layer of confidence for daily driving. On the road, the 2026 Express feels exactly like what it is: a solid, dependable full-size van. The steering is predictable, the suspension is tuned for load carrying, and the overall ride is stable. It may not feel as car-like as some newer unibody vans, but that is actually a positive for buyers who prioritize strength and durability over comfort-focused handling. One of the biggest reasons the Chevrolet Express continues to sell well is its reputation for longevity. Many Express vans stay on the road for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Parts are widely available, repairs are straightforward, and mechanics across the country are familiar with this platform. For businesses, this translates into lower downtime and predictable ownership costs. Fuel economy is not the main selling point of the Express, but it remains reasonable for a full-size van with this level of capability. Buyers typically accept slightly higher fuel consumption in exchange for reliability, power, and payload capacity. For many commercial users, those trade-offs make complete sense. When compared to newer rivals like the Ford Transit or Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, the 2026 Chevrolet Express stands out as a more traditional option. It does not chase advanced digital displays or futuristic interiors. Instead, it focuses on doing one job well, day after day. This makes it especially appealing to fleet buyers and small business owners who want a proven solution rather than a complex one. Looking toward the future, Chevrolet is investing heavily in electric commercial vehicles, but the Express remains available for 2026 with conventional gasoline engines. This is great news for buyers who are not yet ready to switch to electric or who operate in areas where charging infrastructure is limited. The Express continues to serve as a reliable bridge between the past and the future of commercial transportation. In summary, the 2026 Chevrolet Express is not about flashy design or cutting-edge technology. It is about trust, durability, and real-world performance. Whether you need a cargo van for your business or a passenger van for transporting people, the Express delivers exactly what it promises. It is a vehicle built to work, built to last, and built to keep your operation moving forward. That wraps up today's detailed look at the 2026 Chevrolet Express here on Auto Nova. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Chevrolet Express and whether you would choose it over newer competitors. Thanks for watching Auto Nova, and we'll see you in the next video.